Trebuchet it is! So whenever you decide to build something, it's always a good idea to do a little bit of research. I did mine online. I watched a few YouTube videos, did a little research about the history of the trebuchet and how it works. And here's what I came up with. I think our best source is this website called Virtual Trebuchet. So if you go onto Virtual Trebuchet, this is basically an online calculator. And what it does is it helps us to figure out the length of the trebuchet arm that's going to throw the object that we're going to throw, the length of the short arm, the length of the arm that holds the weight, the amount of weight we're going to put in our basket here, and this is really important, the height of the pivot point. I fooled around with Virtual Trebuchet for a while, and these are the calculations that I've come up with. Our short arm is going to be 1.75 feet. Our long arm is going to be 6.25 feet. The length of our sling is going to be 6 feet. The length of the weight arm is going to be 2 feet. And the height of our pivot point is going to be 5 feet. After coming up with the design on Virtual Trebuchet, I used graph paper and a ruler to come up with the drawing. This is just a rough drawing that gives us basic dimensions for our trebuchet. Each big square on this graph paper represents 1 foot. So now we can scale our trebuchet to size and figure out how it will actually look when it's built. Now I'm drawing a plan view of the trebuchet, or what the trebuchet would look like when viewed from above. So we have a really basic image now of the base of our trebuchet figured out. We want it to be 7 feet long, and we want it to be 28 inches wide. We now have two different views. When you look down on something, when you look down on a drawing, this is considered the plan view. And when you look at the side of a drawing, you have what's called an elevation. So we've got a really simple elevation and a super simple plan view, but this should be enough to get us started. So I think we're ready to build this thing. Let's do it.